think this is a close CRM 2025 tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how it goes. First thing, as you can see, you can manage data, work deals, win more, things like that. Start now. Here in the leads section, you can see that you have all your leads. You can see that their numbers, their emails, their contacts, status if they're interested, customer or qualified, latest email date, emails or latest call dates, how many calls, all these informations you can see that you can customize. Next up, you can also like search for anyone inside the email and see how that is. Like, let's say we search for Harry, and then we're going to click on Shift plus F to search for it. My bad. It says close. So we're going to search for close up here. As you can see that we have an example lead of close, and everything that you need to read or know about close is literally over here. What contract you sent, how much it was, and all of the text that you send back and forth. And if what sort of lead are they, you could also click on this one and change. You could see the tasks set for them. You could also store any sort of opportunities and things like that. And also what type of product is it, like a professional service, or what do they need, things like that. And then you can also see that any other team member, like this is not you, this is someone else, and they can also put up an information. And you can also see that there is a clear AI summary, like demo completed when, and then valued at how much, who's exploring it currently, and who has a task, things like that. And this is how to do it. You could also like see other stuffs over here, but this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.